Why is it important to include videos in your marketing strategy? Hi, I'm Danielle, and in this video, I want to explain to you why it is important to have videos in your digital marketing strategy for your business. It's been said that an image is worth 1,000 words. For a video, multiply that by another 1,000. That is the basis of video marketing, a powerful form of marketing that effectively engages your audience as a part of your marketing campaigns. Video marketing means using videos for promoting and telling people about your product or service. It helps increase engagement on your digital, social channels, educates your audience, and allows you to reach them with a new medium. You may wonder why video marketing is important. Using video as part of marketing is gaining a lot of traction across businesses of all sizes, including entrepreneurs and small businesses. A survey done by RenderForest.com found that videos helped businesses increase brand awareness by 70%, traffic by 51%, and sales by 34%. The outcome is quite amazing, isn't it? The key to their popularity lies in their relative ease to engage with both prospects and clients across multiple platforms. Small businesses like yours are increasingly using videos to attract, convert, and retain new customers with great success. If your business needs digital marketing strategy with videos, let DJ Marketing Solutions help you. We will be giving more tips on how to improve your digital marketing strategy. Thank you, and until the next video.